Ready to unlock the secrets of legendary investors like Warren Buffett? It all starts with Benjamin Graham. Welcome to Skillweed Academy. Today we're diving into Benjamin Graham's timeless classic, The Intelligent Investor. This book isn't just about investing, it's about thinking like a disciplined, patient, and rational investor. Let's break down some of Graham's key lessons. First up, investing versus speculating. Graham tells us that investors seek long-term value through analysis, while speculators chase short-term market trends. Before your next trade, ask yourself, am I investing with a margin of safety or just speculating? Next, the margin of safety. Only invest when a stock is significantly underpriced relative to its intrinsic value. This buffer protects you from potential losses. Use conservative estimates and look for clear discounts. Meet Mr. Market. Graham's metaphor for the stock market. He's emotional and irrational. You don't have to follow his whims. Treat market fluctuations as opportunities, not instructions. Are you a defensive or enterprising investor? Defensive investors prioritize safety and minimal effort. Enterprising investors dig deep for undervalued gems. Know your temperament and choose your path. Focus on intrinsic value. Ignore short-term price movements. True investors look at a company's fundamentals like earnings, assets, and dividends. And lastly, discipline over emotion. Greed, fear, and herd behavior are your enemies. Stick to your strategy and follow your rules, especially in volatile markets. Remember, The Intelligent Investor is a guide for lifelong financial growth and stability. Graham's philosophy is built on rational thinking, emotional control, and deep analysis. The investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. Benjamin Graham. Thanks for watching.